Yeah, hi. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, you can see.
Okay. So, see, today I'm going to show you how to establish the connection from what is that app services to database server, right? Now, at present, we do not have any app services. Okay. If people tell me what is the Azure SQL server? Azure SQL server is a cloud-based relational database management system, and it is used to store the data in the format of rows and columns, right? Yeah. So how if people are creating and performing the operation in on-premises? Same, everything we can also perform it in Azure cloud databases, right? Yeah. Now, yeah, have a look. I am creating one sample application. Okay, .NET 7 East US. Okay, yeah. Next, see, this is what SKU, 100 total ACU and 1.75 GB memory. Hit on review plus create it. Okay, create. Yeah, go to resource. So this is the app services. Try to access it. Okay, this is empty application so far. Now I have installed Visual Studio already. So this is the Visual Studio. Okay, I'm going to write the code. Okay, I'm going to write the code which will establish the connection from your app services to database server. So from there we can get the connection string. Okay, that is the important point. Now navigate to SQL's databases. So this is the TCS database. Okay, yeah, here we have one option called, what is that? Connection strings. Just click on connection strings. Okay, see here we have different types of drivers. Uh, ADO.NET, JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, and ODBC, PHP, and Go. Okay, so as we are using .NET, I am going to use this is the one. If it is Java, this is the connection string. ODBC, Open Database Connectivity. Okay, this is the connection string. Anyhow, we are using .NET. Copy this connection string. Okay, tomorrow if any developers are developing any application related to same requirement, as a Azure administrator, you have to share this connection string with developers. Right? Yeah, now copy this connection string. Okay, yeah, open, what is that? Visual Studio. Okay, here open the notepad. Okay, this is the note connection string. Just I am pasting here. Okay, if you observe, okay, see server TCS SQL server and the port number 1433, and this is the catalog means database persistent security info under user ID cloud admin, password it is showing empty. So I have to pass the password details. So what is the password? SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Right? Okay. Yeah. Next. Now launch the Visual. Okay. This is the Visual Studio. Launch. Okay. Yeah. File. New project. Okay. File. New project. So choose the languages. Okay. Start Visual Studio 2022. Okay. Continue without code. Okay. File. New project. Okay. Project. So filter the data here. I am going to develop C#.NET, platform Windows, project type web. Okay, at bottom we have what? Pure ASP.NET application. This is the .NET application. Next. So application name TCS app. Okay, yeah. Review plus create it. Okay, by default I am taking second template. Uh, by using that we will get default templates. Okay, close. Hit on review plus create it. Okay. Yeah, this is the application code, right? Now, see left side, this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. Now here I am going to add my custom page. Right click on the solution, add new item. See, this is pure ASP.NET developer task. You need not worry, just have a look how they will develop. Okay, these tasks should be taken care by developer itself. Now I am giving db.axpx. Axpx in the sense active server pages. Okay, active server page. Add it. Okay, yeah, take, apply. Okay, design. Okay, yeah. See, this is the placeholder, we will call it as, minimize it. Now drag and drop required controls. So this is the toolbox. In left side you will have toolbox, standard. Drag and drop one button. Okay, next, under data we have another control, grid view. Okay, grid view. Now right click properties. I am giving get data. What is that? Get data. So if you want, you can change the color for this tag. Okay, I mean this grid. Now click on it, auto format, brown sugar I am giving. Okay, if there are any issues to display that, I am also using one label. This is the label. Okay, yeah. Next, double click, it will take us to coding part. This is the coding part. Okay, now we have to write the code. See how I am developing, just 5 lines of the code, not more than that. So using, okay, system dot data dot SQL client. Okay, yeah. Next, using system dot data dot, yeah, system dot data. Okay, yeah. Next, have a look. So to handle the errors, we have to use try catch block. That is mandatory first point. Okay, try catch block. Exception EX. Okay, this part is mandatory. First step, we have to do that coding part. Okay, yeah, next. First thing is establish the connection. SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. Here we have to pass the connection string. So already I pasted in Notepad, right? Copy and paste it. Okay, yeah, next, string S equal to select star from EMP. Why? Because the table name is EMP. I am passing through string. Okay, next SQL data adapter DA equal to new SQL data adapter. It will accept two parameters, string comma connection. So let's see, third statement what it will do now. Using connection, this is the connection. Using connection, it will establish the connection from your app service to database. And yes, this is the string. So the query select star from EMP, the query will get execute against of database. So once it is executed, data will be displayed in the format of rows and columns at database end. Okay. Now to rate, yeah, to pull the data from database to our client side, here we have to create one empty table, empty temporary table. So how to create it? To create it, okay, data set. Okay, ds equal to new data set. So just it will create a empty table. Okay, at client end. Why? Because data is there at database that should dump into client end, right? Yeah. Next, da dot fill. I am going to fill this data set. Okay. What is that? DS. That's it. My coding part is completed. Okay. We have physical control called grid view. My data should be integrated with this grid. Okay, yeah. So I am using grid view one dot data source. Okay, where is the data source at present? Uh, Grid. Okay, grid view one dot data bind. That's it. So data source, there is a grid view, right? That says data source is DS. Why? Because whatever the data which is coming from database, that is already associated with data set. Next, if there are any code, if yeah, if there are any code, okay, then it will display in the label label dot text ex dot message. Okay, so once it is done, first save it. Okay, now publish it. To publish it, what do you require? As I said, get publish profile. Now navigate to app services, my TCS app, get publish profile. Copy, paste it. Okay, yeah, paste it. Now highlight, right click, okay, publish. Okay, import profile. Browse, desktop. This is the one. Highlight, publish. Okay, finish. Okay, finally publish it. So before doing that, go to all settings. So at target, validate. Okay, next target, if there are any pages, then automatically it will get delete or it will get override with new pages. Now publish. Build started. Here you can check the status. Okay, yeah, build started, publish succeeded. Okay, so if you see that message, now directly you can go and access that application. Okay, copy this URL. Yeah, already it is there, right? Refresh. Yeah, it is getting refresh. Yes, this is the application. What was the page which I have created? Slash db dot aspx. So this is the page, right? Now click on get data. See, this is the data. Are you getting? Now, if I go on the, what is that? Update some data at database. Will it be reflect here? Why not? Let's see. First, connect the database as well. Here we have tools. SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, yeah, next. I am giving SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, expand the databases. TCS is the database. Right click on new query. Okay, now have a look. Select star from EN. Execute it. Okay, select star from EMP. Okay, now have a look. I'm going to update some records. Insert into EMP values. ID 100. Name AAA. City BBB. Okay. Insert one more record. Okay. See, this is 500. Name I am giving Priya. Okay. City Bangalore. So two records I am inserting. Okay. Now highlight, execute it. Okay. Select star from EMP. So I have updated the data at backend. These two records. Now you people tell me. Okay. These are the two records. Now you people tell me, if I go and click on get data, will I get updated data or not? Yes, we should, right? Hit on enter. See, okay. These are the two records. Okay, do you know actually manually I am typing it. At the end of the URL, I am typing just DB, right? Instead of that, can I create one button? What is that? Can I create one button here like DB? Yes, why not? How can I do that is, have a look, go to your coding part. Okay, there is a site dot master. In left side, there is a site dot master. Okay, here we have three options. Okay, apply. So here I am giving DB. Okay. Uh, so button name I am giving Azure hyphen DB. Okay. So apart from that, see here it is showing application name, right? I'm going to change that name as well. So there is a my application, right? It is showing no application name. Yeah, this is the one, right? Here I am giving application name is Microsoft Azure app, something. Okay. I have updated. Now save it. So what should I do? Publish it again. Publish. Already we applied everything. Just click on publish. That's it. Okay, just refresh. Yeah, see Microsoft Azure app. So Azure DB, click on it, it will take us to that page. Okay, get data. See, you are getting entire data. So this is how what we can establish the connection from Azure App Services to database, and if there is a data, how we can retrieve by using C# ASP.NET code. Okay, so this is total coding part. You might have doubt that, and many people ask me what is the developer role. So to develop this such kind of code, that is developer tasks. Okay. Yes. So for practice it, next thing which I am going to discuss is export and import operations. Okay. So this is the database, right? This is the database. Okay. So when we will export it, see actually to export this database, once I export the database, so the extension of database is dot backpack. What is that? Dot backpack. This database which I can store it in, where is that? Container of storage account. What is that? Container of storage account. So when we will go for export, if we are going to do major changes on top of the database, then first we will export the database, then we will do some changes. For example, current database is crashed or it got deleted totally. Then we will able to import the database in Azure or on-premises. Anything guys. Once exported database you have, then that can be imported into Azure as well as on-premises database. Clear? So what is the export? Export is a feature in Azure. Note it down. Export DB. Okay, yeah. Export DB is a feature in Azure SQL Server. Okay, it will export the database. It exports the DB with schema as well as data. Total, it will schema in the sense architecture of database. It will export the database schema as well as data. Okay, exported database extension is exported database extension is exported database extension is dot backpack. Dot backpack. So in on-premises, you might have seen that dot back earlier, but in cloud dot backpack. Next, exported database target location is what is the container of storage account. Container of storage account. Okay, container of storage account. Okay, let's see. First, go and create one storage account. Okay, .NET RG, my storage, 2022-09-02. Okay, yeah, local. Hit on review plus create it. So I will share this code. Okay. I will keep it in Google Drive link. You people can test it out and verify from your end. Okay, it's done. Okay, yeah, go to containers, create container. The container name is db hyphen export. Okay, yeah, create it. Okay, yeah, now navigate to database. TCS is the database. Here we have one option called export. Okay, yeah, yes, export it. See, by default it is showing timestamp. So TCS 2022 09 September 2nd 6 hours 46 minutes. Okay, current UTC time is 6 hours 47 minutes. Same, right? Yeah. Next, subscription Visual Studio and choose the storage account where it should be target. See, just now in front of you, I have created one storage account. This is the one. DB export select. Okay, server admin password SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, select. Okay. So it is exported. See, request is been submitted. Let's see. Just click on it. So exported database, TCS is the database. It is in running progress. Okay, here the status should change it to completed. Yeah, it may take some time. Let us wait 2 to 3 minutes. Refresh. Okay. Yeah, see, it has been completed. Okay, clear. Now, close it. Go and verify in storage account. Storage account. Where is it? Yeah. Yes. Go to containers. DB export. See guys, this is the one. Okay. What is the extension of database? Dot backpack. Now what I will do now? Go to SQL databases. TCS is the database. I will go and delete it. You see, I am going to delete it. TCS is the database now. Yes, delete it. Okay, refresh. See, if I go and verify, there is no database, right? It has been deleted. Assume that the current database is corrupted or someone deleted accidentally or some data got corrupted in the database. So as we have, what is that? Export the database, we can import it directly. Okay, there is a lot of difference, guys. What is the difference between export and backup and import and restore? Okay, export in the sense it is exporting schema plus data. So while importing the database need not to be present at target location or destination location. See, do you see any database existing? No. Can I import the database? Yes. Backup is not in that case. To restore the backup, okay, in target location or destination location must and should be the database exist. Okay, database should be present at destination location so that we can restore it. So, but import database, they need not to be present the database. Okay, now how can you import it? Close, navigate to SQL Server. This is SQL Server. Here we can import it. Okay, there is a one option what? Import database. Okay, right? Yeah, import. Yeah, see, choose the storage location, my storage, DB export. This is what? Your database, exported database. Yes. See, while importing the database, it is showing with the timestamp. But I don't like this timestamp. What I will do now, I will remove it. I am giving same database name, TCS. Okay, yeah, SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, connect. Yeah, database import is in progress. Okay, did you observe? Still it is importing. Request, yeah, request submitted. Okay, still it is not replicated. So here you will get another entry called import database, database name TCS, status is in progress. Okay, yeah, refresh, see, import database, it is in progress. Okay, let us wait for a few more minutes. Okay, yeah, see, it is completed, right? Now go and check databases. Yeah, TCS is the database. Now try to connect it. So how to connect it? See, one way is SQL Server Management Studio. Apart from that, Microsoft has provided another way to communicate their database. So that is what query editor. Okay, it is in preview phase, still not yet completed from Microsoft end. We will see this one. Okay, now how to connect using query editor? Click on it. Yeah, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. See, this is the fresh database which I have imported. What it is saying is this is my IP. So when I try to connect this database, it is saying that who are you? So I should register this my IP as a firewall rule. How can you do that? Go to overview. There is a what? Set firewall rule. Okay, see this is my IP. Okay, save it. Yeah, it is saved. Now go back. Query editor. Paste it. SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Okay. See, select star from EMP. Run it. See, all database is back. I mean, all tables, all the records in the database and table, it is restored. I mean, imported. Okay, this is how we can perform backup and restore export and import operations on top of this SQL Server databases. Okay, so for practice it, in next session we have another feature called how to perform backup and restore operations. That we'll see in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we have the session, we'll see. Okay.
On the connection string, right? So we are giving a password as text format. So is it allowed to do an encryption without any coding?
Yeah, you can also do that. But actually the connection string, we will not pass it directly in coding part, guys. I pasted it, right? So developer team, what they will do now, there is a web.config file. Okay, in web.config file, I will show you. They will keep it. Actually, this won't be appear in the coding part. For your reference, directly I have pasted. But in real time, how it will be, no, they will keep it in web.config file. Web.config file mostly known by only developers. I will show you.
Like web.config file is a global settings, like
Application settings, you can say.
yeah.
Yeah.
For example, 10 pages I have. In 10 pages, I'm going to interact with database.
Yeah,
So in
then
10,
yeah,
yeah.
web.config file will is. Yeah, so this is the web.config file. Okay, same Java and they will have same web.app file is would be there. See guys, here they will add it. So there is a namespace, right? They will add the connection string and these parameters they will call it in application end. Okay. So how to add it? Like I can say add key. Okay. Some connection string. Okay. They will add some key. Okay. Name equal to ABC. Okay. So this ABC they will call it in in application code. Okay.
Is there any particular configuration to install this Visual Studio? While installing, I'm getting an error actually.
No, nothing. Actually, where you are installing?
I'm installing in VM.
No, which server? Windows Server 2019 or 2022?
2022.
It shouldn't be a problem. It should install directly. What is that error you are getting? So do one thing, reboot the server and reinstall it, or else create fresh server and install it. So Visual Studio, it should not throw any error. Actually, direct in what is that installation?
Could you please share the drive link again?
Okay, sure. Yes, I pasted.
Sir, I have a one query.
Yeah.
Apart from using a SQL database, we can also use a storage account table.
No. So this is relational database management, right? If it is non-relational database management, in storage account there is a one feature called table, right? You can use that one.
Yeah, that table I am talking about.
Yes,
table.
yes, yes.
Because,
that you can use it.
Because of fetching a data in a grid, there is no relation. Just putting table record into a grid.
Yes,
There
you
is
can
no
put it.
relation.
Yes, yes, yes. You can write it. You have to
So-
call APIs.
so-
Yeah.
So for cost wise, it will be a more or less. If I will-
Compared to relational database management system, non-relational database management system is cheaper.
cheaper.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
After completing deployment in virtual machine,
Okay.
how to find out how many credits are lost in
Sorry?
Azure Free Trial? How many credits are lost in Azure Free Trial after completing
Yeah,
deployment
here
in
it
virtual
should.
machine?
Here it should prompt. I don't know why it's not prompt. But yours is trial version. Try it out. Keep on using it. No issues.
Credits are not showing that.
Okay. Anyone from USA guys in this batch?
Yes, if you go to home page,
Uh,
on the home, on the left side,
Rema,
there's a
right?
home.
Rema. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So actually earlier it was showing, but not sure what happened today.
Yeah, so if you go to the home and at the last there is a cost and a maintenance. I think cost management. That's where you can see how many credits are.
So cost analysis, right?
Yes, yes, you can see that.
Yeah, already I suggested.
Yeah, overview. I mean, it shows in mine, invoice, Azure subscription, maybe there.
Yeah, there is a go to Azure subscription. Click on it. Here it will show you
Yes,
remaining things.
there you go. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
But that is not showing, sir. I'll try it.
See here, so far how the cost for me it is showing. See databases, it is one disk. This is the cost. Virtual machine schemas, server pumps. This is the cost. So total cost by resource, this is the one. TCS they charged 780 rupees, VM 500, and this is the disk 400. Others are 4K. Like that, it will show the chart and the graph as well. How I am using. Here it is showing what remaining credits. But yours is, you have created free trial only, right? By changing email address, mobile number and address details, right, Monica?
Everything is changed, sir.
Sorry.
All changed, sir.
Do one thing. Call to Microsoft team. In US, they will respond easily. Microsoft support team call. Okay, this is the one. Okay, you can call directly. They will help you. No issues. Till issue get resolved, they will be on call. They will help you out.
After deploying virtual machine, it will delete that account.
No, don't delete. 30 days free trial is there, right? You can use it happily.
Okay.
Okay. If you want, try to delete that virtual machine. Okay. No issues. If you want to go for pay as you go model, yeah, carefully you can use it per month. Max you will be charged 7,000, 6,000 if you can bear. Or else go for free account.
So it will automatically close the subscription or it will charge?
Yeah, after 30 days, automatically it will close.
Okay, got it.
Yes, yes. You need not do anything. Automatically it will get closed.
No worry about the charges.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
Okay.
while creating containers, there's one option called change access level, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there's three options that we can select: private, blob, and container.
Yeah.
Yeah, what was the difference of private, blob, and container? I mean, if we keep private, no one has to access it, right?
Yeah, private in the sense within the networking people they can access. Public in the sense everyone.
But I kept private. I'm accessing it from I shared the link from my mail to. I mean, I want to check it from whether I can access it from other system.
Okay.
But I'm accessing it. I mean, I should not access it, right?
No, other system means what kind of credentials you people are using? Same credentials?
No. I mean, I just shared the link. I mean, after deploying one application.
Then that is public content you might have shared. So
No,
yeah, see, I have created, yeah, I have restored the one VM, right? Sorry, one database. I will give the link, try it out if you can access or not.
Okay.
Yeah, it is showing private, right? I am giving the link and properties. Link.
And one more thing here, there is one option called shared access tokens, right? I mean, after opening that container.
What is that?
Shared access token in the settings in the left side of that like blade.
Okay, what is that?
Shared access token.
Yeah, this one, right? Generate SaaS token, you are telling.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I explained, right? How to copy, how to use that SaaS token and all.
I mean, could you please open that shared access token?
Yeah, this is just to generate the token which you can provide and access it. Okay, for temporary access and all, we will generate the SaaS token, shared access signature. Full form is.
No, I'm not asking that. In the left side of the page, there is some settings, right? After opening that container, overview, diagnose, and solve problems. Left side, overview, access control, access policy.
Yeah, this one.
Shared
Yes.
access token. Yeah.
Yes, that one. This one and this one both are
Here, if I
same.
permit there's one permissions, right?
Yeah, you can generate the token and share with your colleagues. You generate the token and this URL if I share with you, yes, they can access it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you please share that link? I mean, whether we can.
This link?
Yeah, you told it. Okay, you have already shared that one.
Yeah, already I shared one link that you cannot access right now.
Yes, we cannot access it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are able to access, then hackers are ready to collapse the all data centers from Microsoft. Okay, so yeah, policies are very strict, no issues. Your data anyhow it is secured. Why? Because they are encrypting the data multi-layer. So they are encrypting your data at data center level, networking level, request level. Many ways, many layers are there. That's why so far we don't have any, what is that? Announcement, something is hacked in Azure data centers. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a good day. Tomorrow we have the session. Keep it in our mind. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Yeah.